one more time to Cooking with Gloria. I want to present to you a tamarind juice. It's a Mexican traditional agua fresca, and it's called agua de tamarindo. I hope you enjoy it and you prepare it for your family, especially in this summer. I can't wait to start with the ingredients. As you know, I always prepare 2 drinks for you, almost with the same ingredients. I hope you enjoy it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Sugar, lime, tamarind, water. I am ready to prepare this agua fresca for you, and I know you and your family will enjoy it. The first thing I'm going to prepare is my syrup. I'm going to add my sugar, add 1 cup of water, and we're going to take it to the stove to dissolve this sugar. We are going to take it to the stove to dissolve this sugar. See you over there. I turned on my stove, low heat. I'm going to add my saucepan, and I am going to whisk. If you see, it's very cloudy because the sugar has not dissolved. I'm going to whisk until the sugar has dissolved completely. That takes about 2 to 3 minutes, but when it's done, I will show you how it looks. The sugar has dissolved completely. This is when I remove it from the heat and let it cool down and continue with my recipe. I am ready. I have my tamarind here. What I like to do is take the skin off. Take it off completely, and I like to prepare this water 1 day before. So what I do is take the skin off, use about 15 pads, put it in an airtight container, add some water, and leave it in the refrigerator overnight. A lot of people like to put it to boil, but I don't like that. I like to do it this way because the flavor of the tamarind comes out completely. The pulp gets really soft, and you could get all the juice out of the tamarind when you do it this way. When you prepare it 1 night before, you put it in water, you let it soak, put it in the refrigerator, and the next morning you are ready to prepare the tamarind water. I want to show you how I did it. I have it here in an airtight container, and I'm going to show you how it looks after it's been resting overnight. It's very soft, and I am ready to prepare this tamarind water. With your hands very clean, you're going to get it and just squeeze them. Squeeze them completely until you start getting all the pulp out of the tamarind. And this is how it starts looking. So what I'm going to do is just squeeze it until I get all that tamarind out and all the seeds out. This is a very delicious and refreshing agua fresca. Take your time doing it so you could squeeze all the pulp out of the tamarind. When you have squeezed everything out, what I like to do is just leave the big pieces here and then throw them away. Once you have the seeds like this, where just the seed is there, you're ready to strain it. I'm going to show you that step. I have a strainer here, a little container here, and what I'm going to do is just pour some of the juice here, and we are going to drain it. We don't want the pulp or the seeds to be on our agua fresca. And I will show you when I finish straining it. And this is how it looks when you have strained it totally. This is a little bit of pulp and the seeds. This is what we don't want in our agua fresca or tamarind juice. After you have strained it completely, what we're gonna do is add our syrup here to this bowl. We're gonna add it here and we're gonna taste it and see how it tastes. If it needs a little more of syrup, we'll add a little more. This is the time where we taste it. It needs just a little more. Delicious. I am ready to prepare my first pitcher. Okay, I am ready to add it here to my pitcher. A little bit at a time so I don't make a mess. Okay, let's see. Okay, and ready to add my ice. And we're ready to mix. Okay. This is ready and I can't wait to start with the second option. Tamarind and lime. Okay, we're gonna strain it. This tamarind has a lot of benefits. It has a lot of antacids, anti-aging properties, and great for your body. Lowers your cholesterol and helps with a lot of different things. We need to read about it because this is a very delicious drink plus healthy for our bodies. I will continue straining it and I will show you when I'm done. Okay, I am done with that. Now I'm going to reserve it on the side and I'm going to add the lemon juice. I like to do this first with my lemons. We're gonna add 2 limes. Add some syrup. And this is the time when we taste it. It's a little more. Perfect. I'm gonna add it to my pitcher. Slowly so I don't make a mess. Let's see. That's enough so I could add my ice. Okay, I'm gonna add some slices of lime. And some ice. Okay, and these 2 waters are ready. I can't wait to show you my presentation. Done with my tamarind water. This is the tamarind with lime, and I can't wait to taste it. Let's try the tamarind. delicious and refreshing. And the tamarind lemonade, let's see how it is. Totally a different taste. But these are fresh, delicious, and I know your family will love it. If you like and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video on social media, and I hope you could prepare it at home. But before I say see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.